In this guide, you'll learn how to connect your custom domain email to Gmail in a few easy steps. This will allow you to send and receive emails using your domain email, all within your Gmail account, for a seamless email experience. Start by opening your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, etc. In the address bar, type your domain name /webmail and press enter. This will take you to your webmail login page. For email, enter your email ID. For password, enter your password. Click Login. After logging in, look for the option that says Configure Mail Client and click on it. Find server information. Scroll down to see the settings for your email account. Check both incoming server and outgoing server settings. Make a note of these settings, as you'll need them in Gmail. Go to Gmail and log in with your Gmail account. Click the gear icon on the top right corner. Select See All Settings. Navigate to Accounts and Import in the Settings menu. Click on the Accounts and Import. Under the section called Check Mail from Other Accounts, click Add a Mail Account. In the pop-up window, enter your email ID, example, test@domify.com, and click Next. On the next screen, select Import Emails from My Other Account, and click Next. Enter your email address again for username, example, test@domify.com, and enter the password you used to log into webmail. Check the option to label incoming messages to keep emails from this account organized. Click Add Account. Select Yes, I want to be able to send mail as test@domify.com. Proceed by clicking Next. Enter your name in the designated field. Advance by clicking Next Step. Enter your email and password again. Choose Secured Connection using TLS. Add the account by clicking Add Account. Gmail will send a verification email to your domain email. You will need to verify your ownership by clicking the link in that email. Verify your email into webmail. Return to your domain name /webmail. And log in again using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your account profile icon, top right, and select Roundcube to access your emails. You should see an email from Gmail asking for verification. Open the email. Click on the verification link, and confirm the setup. After clicking the link in the verification email, you'll be redirected to Gmail, where you will be asked to confirm that you want to link the email. Confirm the action by clicking Confirm. Once confirmed, Gmail will finalize the connection, and you'll be able to send and receive emails using test@domify.com from within Gmail. Now you can manage all emails sent to test@domify.com directly from your Gmail account. You can also send emails from this address by selecting Compose and select the drop-down button in the From field when composing a new email in Gmail. This guide simplifies linking a domain email to Gmail, making it easy for users to manage everything from one interface.